Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting press-on nails. First, proper preparation is key for a strong foundation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and dehydrating your natural nails. Next, gently push back your cuticles and lightly buff the nail surface to create a better grip. Finally, carefully select press-on nails that perfectly match the size and curve of each of your natural nails for a seamless fit. Now, let's talk about precise application. Apply a small, even layer of high-quality nail glue to both your natural nail and the back of the press-on. Carefully align the press-on nail with your cuticle, then press down firmly and hold it for at least 30 seconds. This crucial step ensures a strong, lasting bond and helps prevent any air bubbles from getting trapped underneath. To truly maximize the wear time of your beautiful press-on nails, a few extra steps are beneficial. Apply a thin layer of clear top coat over the entire press-on nail, including the free edge, to seal it. For the first 12 hours, avoid prolonged water exposure and harsh chemicals. Reapply a fresh top coat every 2 to 3 days to reinforce the seal and maintain a brilliant shine. Finally, proper care and gentle removal are essential for maintaining nail health. Always wear gloves for household chores to protect your press-on nails from potential damage. Use cuticle oil daily to keep your natural nails and cuticles hydrated and healthy underneath. When it's time for removal, soak your nails in warm, soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes for an easy, damage-free experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.